All right, welcome everyone. This is Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Today is December 11, 2019, making today a Wednesday. Today we're gonna go over to our midweek recap. Whatever we had done on Sunday, we're gonna go over today, and hopefully you guys will agree with me. It has been a very slow week, and as you know, is the month of December and January usually is very slow. So this is the time where you need to learn how to master your skills so you can be ready to go in February. Okay, so but December and January, you're not gonna see a lot of movement in the market. All right, so let's get to work and see if you agree with me. So pretty much what I have here, we're gonna start with Euro USD, Euro NCD, and this is done on H4. Look at what I told you guys on Wednesday, guys. This is pretty neat. I told everyone that I don't think the triple arrow was formed in that time yet. I said that the triple arrow was gonna form in that area, and market was gonna give us a pullback, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line. So far, the market is doing exactly what I told you. It's just working their way up. Obviously, the market is not moving as fast because the market is very slow this week. But there are some pips that you can make. So my suggestion is, if you are lacking like 15-20 pip, just take it, guys. Don't sit on this one, because remember, the market is acting very slow. I don't want you to miss the train. So grab as many people as you can and rely to those. But right now the market is doing what the triple arrow is telling us. Look at that, clearly it's that. It's just doing a small pullback, but still bullish. Market's still bullish. In my opinion, my setup is still valid. I would say that yes, the market is gonna come back and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. So stick to that, okay? I think it's very it's accurate in my opinion. If you guys have any question, please drop it on the comment, the live chat, so I can read it, and so we all can learn at the same time, okay? And we're going to our 5 month and a half, guys. In 5 month and a half, we have only 4 losses. So I'm very proud of the work that we do behind scene, making all this setup so you guys can learn with me at the same time. And I'll be doing all this live training live. I usually do it on Wednesday, and then I come back on Wednesday and you are reviewing it with me. So it's not that I'm making it up, nothing like that. I don't want to do that. I really want to be transparent as much as possible, to be honest. I don't want to hide anything, nothing like that. As you know, I don't use any indicators, straight up triple arrow with time frames. All right, so hopefully you got that. All right, so let's move on. The next pair I have for you here, it will be on the GBP Canadian dollars. And do you guys have any question? Let me see. No question. Okay, cool. All right, so if you guys don't have no question, we're gonna try to move this quick if it's possible, so we can move on. All right, so look at here. Look at what I told you guys on the GBP Canadian. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market, yes, was gonna go up, come and drop. So basically, it's doing exactly what I told you. Look at that. Market was gonna go up, and then from that particular area was gonna drop. But market is giving us an additional pips. Look at that. I said market was gonna come here, but look at that. It went extra pips. Your job here is to grab extra pips. And look at who, it looks like the triple arrow is forming here, guys. Look at that. It's just missing the red arrow. But in my opinion, look at that. The drop's still valid. So I'm not saying, I can't get mad if the market comes on my side. So yeah, my opinion now is like this drop here that I told you guys that it was gonna be on Sunday. Now it is where the market is trending. So now it's right there, right with the real time. So but still valid, the setup's still valid. So this is awesome, guys. Really nice. And I just want to make sure, guys, please, use this data however you feel like it, but don't consider this like as your signal, because it's not. Okay, it's straight up, that's what behind scene, yes, I do take my you know, maybe 80% of this one as a real trade in my platform, but what I want you to know is how I do the my setup. So I love to use 4 hours and daily, guys. Those are my high time frame that I use. And so I do have other rules that apply, but you guys only want to see Fibonacci. There it is. So Fibonacci is very, very accurate in my opinion, the way I do it, and it's working perfectly fine. All right. So please, if you have any question, drop it on the chat room, so in the live chat, so I can read it, so we all can learn. All right. Hi, I'm from SA. What is that? South Africa? I don't know. Well, let me know from which country are you watching. If you are in the USA, that's fine. If you are anywhere in the world, please let me know and let the world know that you are using triple arrow. But triple arrow is very easy, guys. Very, very easy. All you gotta do is make sure you you respect our rules. Okay. What happened to Euro Canadian and Euro JBP? Did I have the Euro Canadian here? Let me see. Euro Canadian. I don't have it in here. I didn't do the analysis on that one. Let me check the other. Euro JPY. Did I have it here? I don't. If I don't have it on my setup, I'm not gonna go offline, because you guys saw me doing the whole setup. It takes time. EVV, it takes time to do the setup, so I cannot really go over to things that I don't have it on my chart. Ask me question about all the charts that are on the bottom, and we can wrestle that one. Okay. South Africa. All right. Calling Echo. We have some Africa. We have Switzerland. We have Canadian. So we got people all over the world. Welcome, guys. Hopefully you guys making pips. Just a reminder, guys, the month of December and January is gonna be a very slow movement in the market. So if you like pips, 10, anything after 10 pip, consider taking those pip and walk away, guys. Find another setup, but don't stick to your chart and try to think the market is gonna be trending as usual. It's gonna be very slow, so make sure you grab some pips. All right, so because you're here to make money, you're not here to babysit your chart. All right, so let's go to our next pair here. We're gonna go to AUD, the Canadian dollar, and look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market, yes, was gonna come back and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Look, it's doing exactly what I told you guys, and I gave you guys on Sunday 13 different pairs. I don't know this time if we're gonna have some losing trade, but remember, we're going to 5 months and a half, only 4 losses, guys. You are seeing this real time. I'm not making it up. Look at that. Look at what I told you here on Sunday. Market is doing exactly what it is. If I had to reanalyze this market, say, yeah, I would say from where it is right now, it's going to give us a small pullback, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. But I just wanted to give you an honest opinion, what I told you on Sunday. You come back today and reanalyze it with me. But I may consider this trade back on Sunday when I give you the new setup. All right, but so far, we have another one, guys. We got 3 so far that is working in our favor. All right, so we're gonna go to our next one here. We're gonna go to GBP NCD. We're gonna consider that one and see if it works in our favor. All right, so let me check here. Bear with me. Look in the bottom, guys. Look at who is there. Look at what the triple arrow is doing exactly what I told you. Look, I said market was gonna go ahead and retest our 61 and our 78 Fibonacci line. Look at exactly what I told you guys. I'm not making this up, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It touched exactly my area. But the reason is why. Why is performing the way I told you? Look at that. Who's in the bottom? Triple arrow. It's that simple, guys. Trust me, triple arrow don't lie, guys. If you are new in this chat room and you want more information about triple arrow, the link is below, guys. Take a look at it. All right, so consider your 2020 one of the best successful year of your history. All right, but there it is, guys. All right, so we have so far 4 winning trade, guys. I'm very excited with this. Sometimes I get nervous. I was like, oh my God, let's see what it's gonna be for to analyze. But so far we got 4. All right. Let's see now. We have the Swiss francs versus Japanese yen. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Oh my God, this is awesome, guys. Look at what I said. Market was gonna come back and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. Look at that. It went additional. It gave you more pips than what I told you it was gonna do. You're here to make more pips. You're not here to make less. So there it is, guys. Straightforward, man. Straightforward. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at here. I said market was gonna come back here, but look at where it is right now. Oh my God. It gave us more pips than what I told you guys. It's that simple, man. It's not hard, guys. But the reason is why. Why did I say that? Look at who's here, guys. Look at who is in charge. Triple arrow is in charge as a bullish. Tell me if the triple arrow is wrong. Triple arrow told us ahead of time, I'm going bullish. And that's exactly what the market did. Alright. So it's that simple, guys. Make sure you put your skills to work and stick to it, guys. Look at here. I don't use no indicators. Straight up. You paying for if you new, walk on. If you're a veteran and you're using triple arrow for a while, look at here. You pay for triple arrow. You didn't pay for no additional indicators. Look at that. I'm teaching you straight up for what you pay for it. If you haven't paid for it, the link will be below. Consider to join us. But there it is. It's simple, guys. 3 arrow you up. If it's bullish, if it's on the reverse back, look at right now. It has the big arrow pointing down. I'm not gonna trade based on just on 1 arrow. I really need more confirmation. I really need to go to daily, verify, and so on. But look at that, guys. This is how many trades we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, guys. That's it. 5 trades, and we are on the winning trade. Let's go ahead. Let me see if I have any question here. All right, we got people from everywhere, every part of the world. Well, welcome, guys. As you know, triple arrow is it's a beast, guys. With best system on 2019, and it's still gonna be the best system in 2020. If there's another software up there, let's compare it. Let's wrestle this, guys. But triple arrow is and it's getting even better, guys. As you know, the new indicator is coming. The triple arrow new system is coming. For those that they're having a hard time how to read the triple arrow, it's gonna be even easier. Mid-January, it's gonna be released the new triple arrow, guys, for free. If you are a triple arrow member, for free. So you're gonna be able to download it in 2 different MT4. If you want a third and install it in a third MT4, then you're gonna have to pay some additional fee, guys. But look at that. It's gonna get even better. 2020 is gonna be the best year of your lifetime, guys. But please master this. As you guys know, I also do 101. You have only until February 10th to book me if you want me to use my brain to see how I trade. After that, I'm not gonna be available until May or June 2020. All right, let's move on. Please drop a question. If you have any question, please drop it, guys. I'm not seeing any question today. Because I want to keep this straightforward, simple, so you all can learn and we are all making pips. Look at here what I told you guys on Sunday, guys. Look at here. Tell me if this is wrong. Oh my goodness. Look at here. I said market was gonna come back and retest our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. Look at that. If you would have had the trailing stop, there is no way you would have lost this trade, guys. There is no way. It's that simple, guys. I'm telling you, this triple arrow is the best. What am I expecting to see this for the rest of the week? I'm expecting to see a drop. But this is great. This is another great one. Look, and I'm using 4 hours. And some of them are, let me see, all on last Sunday I used straightforward 4 hours. All 4 hours. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's go to GBPJPY. Look at that. Give me 1 second, guys. My son is calling me. Give me 1 second. Hey, Ben. Hey. Ben, are you there? Okay, I'm gonna be there in a couple of minutes, okay? Take care. Alright, guys, so look at that. Let's go back. Look at the GBPJPY. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Yeah, the market was gonna come back and retest our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. So far it's doing that. It's not moving, it's not doing much movement, but the setup's still valid. So this one is pending. It is what it is. But that's what it is, guys. Simple. Look at who is in control here. In my opinion, that's a small pullback, guys. Look at that triple arrow there going up. That's why the market is performing as bullish. All right. Let's go to USDCHF. For those that are questioning me on that, and thank you guys for sending me a lot of messages and requesting, help. But this is very easy. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said market was gonna come back and retest R50 to R61. Look at that. If you would have had trailing stop, there's no way you would lose this one either. And then I said when market was gonna drop. Look at that, guys. It's that simple. Triple arrow does not get hard if you follow the rule. Look at who's in control. Bearish is down. Triple arrow came in, is pulling down. It's that easy. Please test GBPUSD. GBPUSD is giving us a bearish trend. Kemi. No, Rewen. Yeah, I'm gonna go over. Don't worry about it. I think I have it in here if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's there. Don't worry, it's coming. It's coming. Alright, so alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so we're gonna go to USDJPY. A lot of you were asking me, Irving, what is your analysis on USDJPY? Well, you want to see it? There it is, guys. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said, yeah, the market was going to give a couple more bars here before the market takes off. Look, it's doing exactly what I told you it was going to do. It's still valid. Still valid. How many trades have we done so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades. You seeing it? Which one is losing? None. None, guys. None. 5 months and a half, 4 losses. Team with Irvin, the best, man. yeah. So, but welcome. If you want the 101, let me know. Send me a private text. There's a link below in there. Let's work this out. All right, let's move to the next one. USD Canadian dollar. Who has question on USD Canadian dollars? Well, if you do, I think this is on the daily. Let me see if you have any question. Good analysis. Thank you, Kami. I think you asked me a question if I'm not mistaken. All right, so let's go to the next one, guys. All right, so any other question? No questions today? Chat room is quiet. We got a pretty good number of viewers, but no questions. Thank you guys for really supporting the channel this year. I'm very humble for that, and so we're gonna keep learning our stuff. But I mean, yes, we got some South Africa here. We got people from all over the world today. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday on the USD Canadian. I said the market was bullish. Look at what I said. Market was gonna come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. Oh my God, guys. Look at this. Tell me if I'm lying, guys. It's doing exactly what I told you they was gonna do on Sunday. Exactly. Look at that. Bam! It hit that. That's straightforward, guys. But look, the question is, why is doing that? Why is performing this way? Look at that. Why is the market bullish? Because the triple arrow is telling the market is going up. And then, yes, I said it was going to come back and do a retest. But the market is still bullish. The trend is bullish. It's that simple, guys. It's very straightforward, man. Very straightforward. All right, let's go to the next one. AUDUSD. Let's see what we have here. Look at what, oh my God, look at this. This is another sexy lady we have here, guys. Look at this, guy. Look at this sexy lady we have here. Look at what the triple arrows on the bottom, guys. Look at how simple is triple arrow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at sales market was gonna come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. Bam, it's doing that. And then from there, I said market was gonna come back and retest our 63 to our 78. Look at what the market is heading, guys. Exactly what I told you. Exactly. Out of 13, we had 11 winning trade, guys. 11. And remember, the market is low. The market is low, guys. It's super slow. Big pips on AUE today. Look at that. I was late, but what about CAD Chef? Did I have that in here? If it's not on my analysis, I'm not gonna go offline. It takes a lot to analyze a pair. It takes a lot of time. And remember that I'm doing all this free to you guys because I want you to collect pips. Remember, the market is not my friend. If you make money, I'm happy for you. But I mean, it's not like you're gonna take $1,000 out of my bank account. There's no way. But I want you to take that $1,000 out of the market. That's what I want. Because I mean, I'm telling you, the market is for you guys. All right. Let's see what Tori is saying. Good evening, Irving. New to triple arrow. My question is, what is your perspective on the limit order and better position that triple arrow appears? Well, I have set of rules, man. It's the way I use my time frame. I love to use 4 hours and daily, but it's more than that. It's more complicated. You know, as you guys know, I do 101. So if you want me to train you how I look set up, it takes more than an hour to really get you to be a pro. But it's an amazing class. All right, let's go to the next one, guys. This makes me so happy to see 11 trades winning. All right, this is the question that everybody's asking me. Irving, what's going on with the GBP USD? Look at what I told you guys. I said the market is bearish. Yes, market is. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna come back and drop from our almost our 0 Fibonacci line. Look at that. It's only few pips up, but my setup's still valid. Remember, the market is not doing a lot of movement. It's not doing a lot, but look at that. The setup's still valid. Still valid. So I don't see anything wrong. I'm expecting the drop to retest our 23 Fibonacci line. That's a strong area where market should come in. When it's gonna happen, I don't know. But the setup's still valid. Hopefully that answers your question. I don't remember who was the person that asked me to analyze the GBP USD. There it is. But why is the market up? That's the question. Why is that? Look at this, guys. Look who's in the bottom. Triple arrow. Look at when the triple arrow come in as a bullish. All I'm seeing here is just a small pullback. But I'm not saying, yes, the market is going to be bearish for a long time. No. Grab 10, 20 pip. Like I said in the beginning of this video. If you can grab 10, 15, 20 pip, take it and walk away. Remember, the month of December and January is going to be slow. All right. So please do that. Let's move on to our next one, guys. To our last one. This is gonna be on Euro USD. Hopefully that answers your question on GBP USD. I don't remember who was the person that asked that question, but there it is. All right, so let's go to the next one. Look at this guy. Oh my God, this is so sexy. 13 trades, guy. 5 months and a half. We lost only 4, but there it is. Look at this. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Yeah, market was gonna come back and retest our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line, but what did the market do for us? Look at that. It went some additional pips. That's what you're here for. You're here to make hundreds and hundreds of pips. Look at that. 13 pair, all winning. You just saw me doing the entire analysis, guy. The entire analysis, you are watching me doing that live. Not even one is a loss, guys. So it's simple because triple arrow is a beast. Look who's in control here. Look at that. Bullish. Market is performing exactly. We're gonna come back on Sunday and redo the whole game again. But remember, next week, guys, try to grab 10-20 pip the most and walk away. Please do. Or until February. Try to do that, because market is not gonna go for so long. If it does, lucky you. But try to secure 20 pip the most and walk away. Remember, 10 pip can pay your bills. 20 pip can make you vacation fun then. All right. So, all right, guys. So hopefully this video has been very informative today. I want to thank everyone for coming in and for supporting the channel, and we're looking forward to see you back on Sunday for our next week analysis. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you next Sunday. Take care. Bye bye.